As the curtains close on 2024, we take a moment to reflect on a year of innovation, growth, and collaboration. This year was filled with milestones that defined who we are and what we aim to achieve. This year, we reached incredible milestones. These accomplishments remind us of our collective strength and unwavering commitment to excellence. None of this would have been possible without our dedicated team. Every challenge we faced was met with creativity, determination, and a drive to succeed. To every member of our Syntactics family, thank you for your hard work and passion. To our clients and partners, your trust fuels our mission. Thank you for allowing us to be part of your journey and for inspiring us to continuously innovate and deliver excellence. Before we step into 2025, let us review the events and highlights that defined our year. Beyond our company's success, 2024 was a year of giving back. Through our industry development talks, we aimed to empower neighboring municipalities and cities, sharing knowledge and strategies to foster growth in various industries. Together, we're building stronger communities and paving the way for progress. As we step into 2025, we're excited to build on our momentum. With new goals on the horizon and our team's unwavering spirit, we're ready to achieve even greater heights. The journey continues, and the future is bright. Let's make 2025 unforgettable. Join us on this exciting journey.